Hi, my name is Prashant. I am the founder of invisiblebed.com. Today, I am not speaking as a founder, but I am speaking as a father. I have two kids, and when it came time to furnish my kids' bedroom, I was not thinking that I have to furnish it with invisible beds. I was thinking about their safety first. And then at the same time, I wanted them to have a lot of space to play around. And when I knew that invisible beds are very safe to use around kids, only then we installed two invisible beds for my kids. So we installed these two invisible beds back in 2021 when we were furnishing this kids' room. And touch wood, till now there has not been a single incident of unsafe or the bed falling on its own or the bed folding on its own. I get a lot of questions from concerned parents that my kids are playing around the room. What if it falls? What if it goes on its own? Nothing of that sort will happen because these beds are designed to be very safe to use, and it does not fall on its own or it does not close on its own. This kids' bedroom is a testimony of safety because my own kids are using these beds for the last 5 years. If you still have concerns about how safe are these beds, do leave a comment about your questions. I will make a video or I will answer it myself as to how safe these beds are around kids.